How to use TikTok in China without a VPN. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok in China without a VPN. When doing this, people usually change the region on their app store before downloading TikTok or change their Apple ID to a non-Chinese one. But even if you have it downloaded, TikTok would usually just appear as a black screen. To solve this, all you have to do is to take out your SIM card. Once it's out, you will be able to see videos on your TikTok again. But if you insert it back in, it would appear as a black screen again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use TikTok in China without a VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!